This is potato cheese. Can you open? Ya Habibiti, open. Okay. This is the guy, the mighty guy in Korea. Yummy. Yummy. Hair lunch. We have here pickles. Pickles. And the combo, open the combo now. We have 2 boxes. 2 boxes of chicken. Wow. Crunchy chicken. From combo. This is for me. One for Dunya, one for Eden. Like it. 1 box. And can you give me your potato? Why you want potato when we have potatoes already? Eh?